Domino's Pizza got a slice of some analyst action today. TD Cowen raised its price target to $5.50 from $5.25 while maintaining its buy rating. DPZ shares have enjoyed a 12% rally in the past 11 days with only one red candle during that period. But that red candle that formed yesterday may be concerning to some traders because it represents a harami candle pattern. A harami occurs when the real body of today's candle, by which we mean the distance between the open and the close, completely fits within the previous day's real body. The candles also should be opposite colors. This situation is the opposite of an engulfing candle. A harami speaks to a stall in trend and indecision on the part of traders, so keep an eye on whether momentum starts to wane. To learn more, download the Schwab Network app or visit schwabnetwork.com.